Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore dan salam sejahtera untuk kita sekalian. Thank you to the Committee of Annual Civics Education Conference for the opportunity given to me on behalf of the team to present our article entitled National Insight Test through the Tanya Wasbang Digital Content Projects to build civic knowledge in students. With Sofia Nurun Alanur as SPD MPD and my partner, Dr. Jamaluddin MSc, we are from Pancasila and Civics Education Study Program, Teacher Training and Education Faculty, Tadulako University, Palu, Central Sulawesi. The development of students as the younger generation to become good citizen is a major concern, especially in the midst of globalization and the development of science and technology. There is no more important task than developing responsible, effective, and educated citizens. Moreover, one of the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, which is a global action plan agreed by world leaders, including Indonesia, is quality education. Therefore, it is important to instill citizens' knowledge and national insights in students so that they become proficient for their development to become good citizens. The cultivation of national insight can be done in various ways, one of which is through Pancasila and civics education. One of the methods that can be done is through digital content as a response to the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 and strengthening citizen literacy. National insight includes nationalism, a sense of nationality, and the spirit of nationalism. The development of national insight is something that is very important in an effort to build social cohesion in the midst of a pluralistic nation, and moreover is being overshadowed by the threat of ethnic and religious conflict. Civic knowledge relates to the content or what citizens should know. This aspect concerns scientific academic abilities developed from various political, legal, and moral theories or concepts. This research is a qualitative research with the type of case study. This research is an in-depth study of the program or digital content entitled Tanya Wasbang. The research informants were students of the Pancasila and Civics Education Study Program, totaling 20 people who took the National Insight Test program on the Tanya Wasbang content. Data were collected by questionnaire and document observation methods. The research was conducted at the Pancasila and Civics Education Study Program, FKIP, Tadulako University, Palu, Central Sulawesi. The time of the research was carried out in May 2022. The research data were analyzed using data reduction techniques, data presentation, and conclusion drawing. The results of research show, first, the civics knowledge content in the content of Tanya Wasbang is the political, legal, and diversity aspects. Students acknowledge that they have gained a lot of new knowledge from this National Insight content activity. Students admit that the National Insight Test through digital content is very interesting. Students realize that there are still many national insights and knowledge that they must learn. Students think that the digital content Tanya Wasbang can be a method of learning Pancasila and civics education in schools. Students realize it is important for a citizen to have national insights because, first, as the formation of moral attitudes, defend the country and love for the homeland. Second, it is very important in the relation between nations and in the associates between other nations in the international world. Third, contains the commitment and spirit of unity to ensure the existence and improve the quality of life of the nation. 4. In order to create a strong spirit or impulse to love the homeland, to defend and maintain the integrity of the Unitary Republic of Indonesia. 5. As the process of forming moral attitudes and having love for the country in the life on the nation and state. Based on the research results, it can be described that civic knowledge is integrated with national insights, which raises 3 things. First, nationalism, a way of thinking about diversity, values, and respect for human, which appears in the understanding of national and multicultural heroes. Second, a sense of nationality a sense of nationality. Attitudes that are instilled through the habit of responding to events or events related to the life of society and the nation include acceptance and appreciation of difference. Students realize that national insight is important to build love for the homeland. They realized that it was important to know who the heroes were, what Indonesian culture was, what laws were in effect, and what the political conditions were. Third, the spirit of nationalism is its aspects emphasize democratic values, which include respect for the law, responsible freedom, equality, self-discipline, active and responsible citizenship, openness, critical thinking, and solidarity. This can be seen in their attitude when following the question Wasbang content. They are sporty in playing and trying to find the answers. These values support the learning of Pancasila education and civics, both at the school and college level. So the conclusion for our presentation, digital content Tanya Wasbang can be increased civics education. Digital content Tanya Wasbang can increase civic knowledge in students. The digital content Tanya Wasbang is an award to determine the level of national insight in students. Digital content as a citizen project can be a learning method for Pancasila and civic education that supports the advancement of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 and citizen literacy. The references on our article, 1 from Budi Mansa, Departemen Pendidikan Nasional, Mangunduyono, Skelet Hendal, and her friends, Sofian and Dadang Sundawa. Thank you for your attention, and I say sorry if I make a mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.